I'm making this video because I really haven't seen a band removal from a woman's Citizen watch. So there we have it, and I'll explain how I got it apart and cleaned it up and put it back together, so that if you ever find yourself in this situation, or you're watching this video because you can't see how it's done because it's all put together, here we go. So I wanted to take a couple links out of this woman's Citizen WR100 Echo Drive watch, and I found it was horrifically dirty. So I decided to undo the band, to take a couple links out, discovered it was dirty, and I wanted to sonic clean it, but I can't put this in the sonic cleaner, so I took the band off. How did I do that? Well, I have my little cheapy Amazon watch repair kit over here for changing batteries, really is why I got it. But you want to grab the middle pin driver. There you have three sizes: small, medium, large. Get the medium and you drive the pins out. But you have to do it in a certain way. So it's all about orientation. You see the arrow right here? That is how you are going to drive the pins out. So the pin is going out this way. Now, when the band is on the watch, it's a real pain in the butt because it's all connected and the watch is turned upside down like this. Another way you can remember it is the time adjustment knob over here on the side. You want to drive towards that. So you'll drive from this side towards the adjustment knob here, like that. Maybe that'll help you, because you know people are different, left, right, up, down, you know, in, out, becomes very confusing. But the main thing is, where are the arrows? I have a Fossil watch. Let's find the arrows. Note on this Fossil watch, the arrow is pointing out, whereas on the Citizen watch, the arrows are pointing in. So the way you drive out the pin is different for different watches. You want to look out for things like that and those little particular details. The other thing is the pins. Alright, let's zoom in on the pins here, if I can get everything centered. Notice that the woman's Citizen watch pin has a little bulb on the end of it. That's going to determine how it's reinserted. So don't lose your orientation. You want to make sure that you put it in the exact same direction you took it out. So if it went out from left to right, put it in right to left. I can't stay in focus, sorry about that. So on the Fossil watch, you can see that it's bulged right here, and that the bulge goes in last and it goes out first. That's on the Fossil. You can pretty much say the same thing for the Citizen. Notice the orientation with the adjustment pin. It's going to go out away from the adjustment pin, and the bulge is going in last as the pin goes in towards the adjustment pin. So there's my little quick video on Citizen's watch, woman's Citizen's watch, and a men's Fossil watch, because the arrows were in different directions and they were shaped a little differently. So I hope that helps. I hope I covered everything. Thank you for watching.